ég ætla að prófa þetta allavega. Ég veit ekki til þess að ég sé að fá neina villu núna eins og ég gerði áðan, en ég er búinn að prófa þetta núna nokkuð sinnum. Þannig að við erum bara satt til hvernig þetta fer. En ég ætla að deila þessu vídeo hérna á Facebook síðan minni. Sjá hvort það kom einhver inn. Svona, þá er ég búinn að séra þessu hérna tveimur stöðum. Það verður að koma í ljós hvort það kom einhver. Ég á ekki von að þið kom nokkur einasti maður. Það verður bara að koma í ljós. En sjáum hvað gerist. En ég ætla að sjá hvort að ég geti sýnt þessa myndavél hérna. Þá sjáum við hérna landslagið. Kannski erfitt að sjá það. Þetta er Snæfellsjökull. Þetta er bara prentað af því að prentarnir var að klárast og svo skiptum spólu og svo kláraðist það aftur, þannig að þetta er svona marglita. En ég ætla bara að byrja á þessu og sjá hvað gerist. Ég hef ekki málað í mjög langa tíma. Ég málaði eitt málverk daginn sem var svona eftir pöntun má segja. Það var hérna kunningi minn sem vildi fá heimahagan fyrir pappa sinn til að gefa og ég málaði það, þannig ég gerði ekkert vídeo. Þannig að byrja bara hérna svona einhverjum grunn lit hérna. Það snýr svona, já. Ná einhverjum lit hérna í grunninn. Hluta sjór líka hérna. Ég málaði svona aðeins út í sjóinn og svo málaði það aftur blott. Þannig að það koma klettarnir hérna með smá lit. Það er svolítið erfitt að sjá hvar ströndin er hérna, en ekki skáða svolítið sumstaðar. Mig vita að þið heyrið eitthvað í mér líka. Það væri fínt að fá smá komment í tjatið. Þetta er Snæfellsjökull sem ég er að gera hérna. Þykja þetta þannig vel að litirnir sjáast ekki í gegnum sem grænu og bláu. Ég var að klára nokkrar rúllur sem það voru lítið eftir af. Svona er þetta svona mislitt. Einhver að horfa á þetta núna allavega síðan spyrst einhvern YouTube-stúdíóinu. Þannig að láta mig vita í kommentinu ef þið heyrið í mér. Það er ágætt. vita líka ef að tónlistin á há eða hvort þið heyrið eitthvað í tónlistinni. Ég get hækka og lækka inn líka. Það var svona lyfti tónlist sem ég fann eitthvað netinu, eitthvað brýtt. Búin að þekja allt saman með eitthvað sem grunn. Kom einhverju grænu í þetta líka. Það var sem þarna. Þetta svona vídeo þar sem menn horfa bara á málningu þarna. Það sem að gerast hérna. Þetta bara svona svampur sem ég að mála með. Blanda smá grænu í þetta líka. Mestmengnis bara eitthvað hraun eða eitthvað mosi og eitthvað svona. Ekki mikið líf hérna. Hvað þessi stað. Það er veit að það heyrið eitthvað í mér. Ég var bara að lega staðfesting á því að það heyrist eitthvað í mér. Það var að posta þarna skilabóðum, sjá hvort það heyrist eitthvað í mér. Ég er ekki búinn að streyma svo lengi að ég er ekki að klára hvort það virki allt saman hérna hjá mér. Það kemur það ljós. Það var þá þöglumyndin þar hérna. Græna litur svona eitt sem overdregur í höllinu. sé enginn að horfa núna. Ég er svo búinn að prenta hérna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 landslagsmyndir sem eru tilbúnar til þess að láta mála. Kemur einhver að horfa, þannig að láta mig vita að heyrist í mér. Ég er að bíða eftir að fá staðfestingu að heyrist eitthvað. Komin ljós hvort það sé einhver böggur í þessu eða hvernig þetta virkar. Mosagrátt hérna, en mosagrænt segi ég, grátt. Upp í hlíðarnar hérna. þotna bara þess. Ég mála bara sjóinn. Og hún minna þess. Og svipuskapur hérna. Gubbaðist hérna út úr brosanum málík, fór út allt. Nú er ég að mála sjóinn bara hérna, meðan að landið er aðeins að þarna ná hérna yfir. Þetta eru 3 mismunandi litir á brennefninu hérna undir. Það eru að klára rúllur sig á þig. Það er svolítið svæði hérna sem ég þarf þykja hérna með plóðum. Látum við vita að það heyrist eitthvað í mér. Ég kann vita það. Og hvort að tónlistin sé að há. Frétta annars svona. Hvað eru búin að vera að prenta eitthvað eða gera eitthvað sniðugt? Sjá hérna Prusa Index kerfið nýja. Það var kynnt í dag. 4 og 8 stúta, brennstúta. Fyrir Core 1 og Core 1 Plus. Það er bara þöglumyndirnar, ég held að það heyri ekki í mér. alla ströndina hérna aðeins. Græna og brúna málgin er að þotna aðeins meira en ég kem fara að elda ströndina frekar. Pósta líka hérna á Twitter. X eða hvað það heitir hérna. Komið inn á X tilkynning. Nei. Það heyri í mér, láttu mig vita. Það er langar að vita hvort það heyrst eitthvað í mér. Svo þetta málningu. Það var tæpa hérna síma minn og það kom málningu hann líka. Glæsilegt. En sjá til. Hvort það heyrist eitthvað í mér. Undirlendi hérna sjálfsög nema bara hraunið hérna. Heyrist eitthvað í mér? Hey, Uncle Ron. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Thanks for tuning in. I've been painting a little bit so far. Not many people are showing up on the stream. Do you hear me okay? So what have you been up to? I started YouTube again several months ago. Yeah, good. If you can hear, I didn't have any confirmation in the chat. Yeah, so yeah, I started YouTube again. Been doing some filament reviews and such videos, and wanted to do some live streams today to paint the landscapes. I've been printing quite a lot of landscapes, but haven't streamed any painting yet. I'm painting in some moss. There's a glacier here in the middle. I'm still gonna paint it white, but this is a very old volcano. Yeah, okay. So, still live in the same place. Sigga mín, ég var að biðja konu. I was asking Sigga here in the chat to let me know if everything was looking good. Yeah, okay. I haven't been in the States since last Murph or Earth. I can't remember either one. Yeah, okay, so you want to move to Florida. Yeah, okay. In the neighborhood of Glen, maybe. There's so many people that I was used to watching on YouTube 6 years ago when I was still active, but are not active anymore. Like Glenn and Chris in the basement, he's retired with a YouTube channel. Yeah, okay. I think it's called 3D Printing Utopia or something like that now, the Earth one. I think they changed the name of it. Yeah, so it's moving, okay. Putting in some black for the lava. There's a lot of lava in this area. Yeah, 3D Printopia. Yeah, that's the name of it. And now I was seeing on YouTube there was like a Rocky Mountain Repra Festival, and Smurf, I think, was in the UK. So they're popping up some more events. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, there are quite a lot of number of landscapes in the US that I gave away. It was great when I was arriving at those shows with a suitcase full of landscapes that I gave away. It was really great. There's one cat. I have 3 cats now. Yeah, I have tried to glue like 3 paintings of the same area together, but overall, when I select an area, I just select an interesting area and print it out, and it's not in any fixed scale, so I can't like glue them all together. And if I would cover all of Iceland with this scale, it could take maybe several football fields to be all of Iceland. So it would be quite an undertaking. So mostly now I'm just waiting for the underlying like brown and green paint to dry a little bit. It's a little bit too wet to brush over like a dry brush with a black one. Yeah, that could be an idea to use the epoxy. I think I can put in the white for the glacier part. There is a small glacier here in the top of this mountain called Snæfellsjökull. I still have the same paint that I have like 6-7 years ago, and they're still okay, the paint, the leftover paint that I had from that time. It's a very small glacier, so it's like a mini glacier. There's like a mountain top that peeks out from the glacier at the very top. A lot of people go here to hike. Yeah, okay. So you can more easily hang out after you move. So I think I got the general shape of the glacier part. Maybe I'll have a look at the map. Yeah. From the map I see it's pretty much correct shape. Not as detailed as a map, but I think I got the main parts. Gonna have another go at the coastline as well. So I've actually driven a car up this glacier to the top several years ago. I think it's like 1,300 meter high, something like that. Very difficult to see the actual coastline in the 3D model. So I'm just trying to follow as best as I can. It's very popular to go here at this location. It's like in the westmost part of Iceland almost. In the summertime you can go here and to see the sunset, where the sun just doesn't go under. It just touches the horizon and starts to rise again. No, it's like a just part of the Iceland. Over here is like a mountain range that goes quite a lot of direction to the east of this location. So it's just part of the main Iceland, but it's not a dedicated island. Drive here from Reykjavik in like maybe 3 hours, I think. You can drive here. Do you hear the music in the background, or is it too loud, or how is the volume of the music? Just some elevator music. like a license free, what's called, so I don't have to pay for it. Royalty free, it's called. Volume is okay, a bit louder than you thought. Okay, I'll lower it a little bit. See if this changes anything. Let me know it's better now. Yeah, okay, that's good. Difficult to adjust without being listening and talking at the same time. It's difficult to do on your own. Putting in some character into the ocean, so it's just not just empty blue. Some white paint. And I'm not speaking very loud. I speak very quietly normally, so I'm not able to talk very loudly, so can't have it overrun by the music. I think I started the live stream 3 times earlier. I was having some error regarding the resolution of the stream. My OBS was set to 4K and YouTube didn't like that, so I had to change it and thought I changed it, but it still complained, so I started again. Then I had no sound and started again, and it took me like 25 minutes, I think, from I wanted to go live until I got actual results. I've done this in like 6 years, so I'm a little bit rusty on OBS settings and such. So looking at a map, this area here, this is basically the only area in this whole picture that is with some green grass and such, and the rest is basically lava and some moss. And there's a very tiny town at this location here. Just few people that live there. So there's not much, but there's a road like around it, and there's a road here across up to the glacier and down here again. So if you have like a 4x4, like a Jeep or something like that, you can go up here over the mountain, but otherwise you have to drive around. And then there's a town, I think it's like here somewhere in this area, maybe here or here, I'm not exactly sure. Let me see at the map. Yeah, here in this location there's a town. And looking at the map, I think I got the coastline at a reasonable accuracy. It's difficult to see because if the coast is not extruded from the sea level, like if there's no cliff on the coast, it's difficult to see. Yeah, okay. I haven't seen him online either. Don't know what he's doing. I've been subscribing to several YouTubers now since I started again, and there's maybe a handful that are the same as I was watching 6 years ago. Yeah, basically there is one town like east of this area that is a little bit bigger than the town that's here, and it's a small town, maybe 500 people or something like that, maybe a little bit less, and then a small town here, and I think that's like maybe 100 people or something like that. So there's like one town here, one town here, one town here, sorry, and one town a little bit over there in that direction. So and it's all like a fishing boat town where people are going fishing with their boats. Yeah, okay. Made himself a plasma cutter. Okay. Lasers, that's it. Let's see. I think we're gonna put some more green in now. Little bit of green. Can't paint too fast because I do it in so many layers, and I always have to wait for each layer to dry a little bit before I can add another layer. So it's literally watching paint dry. Black now on the mountain tops, on the ridges, and give it a little bit more character. It's like putting on the paint and then removing a little bit of it. Diode laser, yeah, okay. don't have any room for. I have 3 printers now in this room. I don't have more space. I moved like 5 years ago. I moved to a new apartment not so far away from where I lived before in Reykjavik. It's a new house, a new apartment building, like 5 stories high. No, 4 stories high. I think like 20 apartments in the same building. So I think I'm gonna add another layer of the glacier, then I believe this painting is done. So what are you doing with the laser diodes? Playing with the cat? Or, or is it more powerful that you can cut something with it? Yeah, in Reykjavik, most people live in apartments. It's more common, like out in the countryside, to people just to have their own house. But in the capital area, most people live in apartments. But to live in a house in Reykjavik, it's really expensive, I would say. For normal working class people, it's not realistic to get a house in Reykjavik unless you inherit it from your folks, and maybe you can put. So now the white blob at the top is done. Etching tumblers, making ornaments. Yeah, okay. Okay. You have to show me a picture on X and tag me. Yeah, a lot of people want to go here on over the maybe last 5 years. A lot of US residents are coming to Iceland to visit. It's very popular. Yeah, so a lot of people from the US come here. We had yeah, I think it's I think it's the most popular country to visit is US. I'm not exactly sure, but I think so. So now this is done. So I wanted to do at least one landscape on this live stream, so I think I'm gonna let it be at this time. So I thank you for showing up. Yeah, you have to let me know if you're going to come here. We have to meet up. It will be fun. Yeah. So I'm just gonna clean up and stop this stream. So I thank you for watching, and everybody else that showed up at some point of time. There were a few people at some time in the video. Lava surfing. Yeah, that would be something. Yeah, but nice to see you, and I'll see you in the next stream, hopefully. I don't know when I'm gonna stream again, but hopefully soon. So here you can see my room. There's a Core 1L printer and the MK4 printer and the MK3 printer. So those are my 3 printers that I have. It's just a tiny room that I have. So, but it's good enough to make basic YouTube videos and doing 3D printing. Yeah. Yeah, I have the same cell number. Yeah, I do. So we'll be in touch sometime. Okay, so thank you for watching. See ya.